Hey guys, good morning. I hope you are having a good start to your Tuesday. I am trying something new. I am using OBS today with chat, though the only thing I've noticed with OBS is you can't increase the font, at least not that I'm aware of. I can increase it in the Twitch dashboard, obviously, because I can increase the browser font, but I can't do that with OBS. Hey, oh my gosh, root beer. Hi, how are you? I haven't seen you in a long time. What is up? How are you? So we're just getting started. I ran downstairs. I got some water, which I'm gonna drink, and then yeah, not much. That's okay. And then what? I got some coffee. This is a very exciting chat, guys. You've been busy working. I can understand that. Hey Kiki, how are you? Haven't seen you around either. You've been working too? So, yeah, sorry I was a little bit late this morning. I tried to be on time, but yeah, sometimes my mornings get away from me. Hey Graceful Dawn, at least they're not staring. This is true. There is no peanut butter. I'm doing good, Dan. How about yourself? Yesterday, I spent the afternoon working on this guy. So this is the quick ombre hat. I'm almost all the way through. I'm on like the last few rows of the pattern. The reason I'm using these colors, this was to just try it out. This is not the color I would normally use. But this is a preemie size, which is too big. It doesn't even fit on the 18-inch dolls. This